Hey. Sorry. So right now the phone is on turn off. So that we could open it. Yeah. Nah. Sweet on sweet. For sweet. Blood sweet. Okay. All I need to do find is one that so nothing. Again and it's all nice. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Just don't spray too much. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. I have to pull something. There's a lot of gum. A lot of gum or yeah. That's pretty good. Okay. It is so cool, yeah. Oh, all of this just nothing else. Oh, this one you can see, you see, I cannot scoop. Very clear. You see, there's already. Do you see that? Do you see that? Okay. Let's pull something out. Everything will be alright. We're going to screw this off. Okay. So wait a minute. Okay, Sembunyi juga,
Crunch. Ah, good. Okay. Okay. Hi. Carefully. You have to carefully. You have to carefully to pick it up. Motherboard. 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 And put it there slowly. Also, so antenna Bluetooth. Bluetooth antenna. Wait. This one is speaker. Speaker. Some people call it puzzle. Some. Yep. Thing. I forgot this one cable. Sorry. We gotta forget the cable. I've got the cable already. Sorry. Okay. You don't see it. Let's go read it the correct side. And look, I'm kind of nervous right now. And this is the first video. I mean, I'm making, not making, making content. Okay, making, true. I'm making content of the repair from, so this is my first time. Wait a second. No. I already used it, but when first time is because I recording and yeah, you know what it feel like. So we can use it usually. Yeah. So this is the future engine I have. As you can see, this one, if you look like this, if you look this, it's like a wire cable, but it's actually an Bluetooth antenna. Bluetooth antenna. It's really you need to remove. Normally, the Bluetooth antenna will place it right here. Okay, you can see that right. Okay, so it's right here and up this one. Oh, okay. No. Okay, this one you need to just go. In this case, you need to get. Okay, this one cannot. Okay, won't work as well. What you need to do here is you need something that very just like this, very thin, very thin, so you can take it up just like this. So yeah, somehow yeah, it's a gum here, like a gum. If even this work, you need to find something very maybe for example like this. You have to be careful. Take it out slowly. Not like that. Okay, just like that. Okay, spin out finally. This one is called vibrator motor. Motor vibrator. When someone call you, it's with like a vibrator. Like this thing that makes you vibrate. But there's also one thing. It's called also swoop together with this. Like how the thing vibration. How it vibration. Yes. Okay. So yes. And I forgot to tell you another thing. And yeah, this one is actually pretty bad. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. When it comes to ceremony, they do have a task. So you have to take it out carefully. Take it out carefully. I guess you don't need. I can really see something because this cable has no issue. This cable too has no issue. So no problem. Just let it. As a placement of the battery. Yeah, just let it stick together. So that. Oh yeah.